boy wonder.
Yeah, man, how you doing? You good? I know you like that. I know you like that. How long you been back?
What up, Snackies? Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all, what's good? What's poppin'? My voice is like my voice is very hoarse, okay? This is the day after Cancun. So make sure none of this stuff is in the way. Yeah, I have some Wingstop, I have some mango habanero, and I have some plain ones because I have two sauces that I want to try with it. So without further ado, guys, let's snack. So I've actually tried this sauce before. This is the Cajun honey wing sauce from, I forgot how to pronounce it, Licious. They're based out of New Orleans. So I just poured some in this container for easy access. It is like honey, like I say, it's a honey Cajun, so it's sweet, but it also got a kick. And then y'all know this red sauce, well, y'all probably don't know, but if you watch my Haitian pate code video, then you'll know that this is the Chez Katu sauce that I say it tastes so good. I'm pretty sure it'll be bomb on some french fries. So we're gonna try that. And then this is my blue cheese. Well, I eat some of my french fries with. But I got sweet tea. Oh, my voice is horribly hoarse. So y'all just bear with me. I want to try this in the Katu sauce first. And this sauce is thick, but still it just tastes so good. Like you can eat that sauce by itself, y'all. Gotta make sure I sort the sauce off. Beauty, sit down. All y'all hear is that bell. And y'all know these wings came from Wingstop, right? Did I say that? Uh-oh, I'm sorry. I didn't hit them with the napkin box. I told you get your little stuff from right there. Sit down. Now, previously I tried this sauce with seafood because when it was sent to me, I was told that I could eat it with seafood. But when I tasted it, I was like, oh, that'll be good on some chicken. And that's what it's made for. I mean, alright, that's what most people use on chicken, but you could also use it on steaks, ribs, fries, and seafood. Delicious. And then I'm gonna eat one of my mango habaneros, but they're just sweet peppers, y'all. So y'all, I didn't discuss my trip on Monday's video because that was a previously recorded video. But we'll talk about my trip today. So and I'm gonna release the vlog. When am I release the vlog? I don't know. Y'all will see it. Probably should. That juice burger out. Not bit down. I probably can release the vlog. Well. I can release the vlog on Thursday since I'm posting on Thursdays. It'll be like a bonus video for the week. That's what I'll do. But it was a short trip. Just for 2 days. Well, 3 days, 2 nights. Because the bride had started a new job this summer, and even though you know they're new jobs to let you know. It's really because she got a new job at a hospital. She's a social worker. You know, if you have stuff previously planned, they'll let it slide, but you want to, you know, you want to create a good reputation and stuff. So we was only able to be there for the weekend. It would have been better if we could have been there, like, we got there on Friday. It would have been better if we would have left on Monday. But we came back Sunday. But y'all, my Mexican peeps, boom. I did enjoy myself. Like when we went to go do the tour at Tulum, like that was like a very powerful experience for me. That's that Chez Katu. Why? Because like that was powerful to me because y'all know I'm Mexican. But unfortunately, I don't know anything about my roots. Because my father was an illegal immigrant. And my mom lost contact with him during like the migration season of work for them. Before I was born. So I've never met him. We did that. It was a couple of times where we thought we found him, but it wasn't him. So when it comes to like that aspect of my life, I used to feel like I'm missing out. I'm missing out. I don't feel like I'm missing out anymore, but I have a desire to know that part of me. And anything that can help me with that, it brings joy to my heart. So We went to Tulum, and that was where the palace was at and all that. Like I just had this feeling, like I don't know, like a feeling of, I don't want to say, partly was gratitude, but also just like amazement at like part of this place that I'm walking on, climbing up, seeing the views that they saw. When you see the vlog, you will see like at the top of the house, because there was a house in the palace, amongst other things, because it was a compound, but you can literally see the ocean. It's like a cliff and you see the beautiful ocean, and it's like, wow, my ancestors stood on these same grounds. My ancestors saw this same beautiful view, you know. And it was like, wow, because I want to go to Africa too, but at least I was able to get some of the experience close, you know, to here. Now I know all the girls that I went with wasn't like enthused as I was, you know. And low-key, I'm a nerd. I love to learn. So I definitely enjoyed that portion of the trip. Then y'all, we showed out at the hotel club. It was turned up. But y'all, we did a spa day. Not a spa day, but we did a spa appointment. Remember, I've been telling y'all about that self-care. That self-care is important. Oh my gosh. Talking about your body be so relaxed. Y'all go on Groupon in your city and find you some cheap massages. This was at the hotel, so it wasn't cheap, but your whole body, mind, and soul was relaxed after that hour massage. And then we went into the dry sauna. Perfect. And it was 2 weddings while we were there, y'all. So pretty. The first people we saw, they was renewing their vows. And all their family was there. It was dope. They was part of the girls that was, you gonna see that's, dancing. Be prepared at the club. And as y'all can see, your girl ain't got on no makeup today. I know Auntie B Love be like, you gotta, you know, be presentable in front of the camera and stuff, but y'all, I wore makeup all weekend. These pores need a break. I could at least put some face powder on for y'all though. And then, yeah, I ain't even vlog everything. You know, when you having fun, you relaxing, you in the moment. You forget. You definitely forget. No. There's some more French fries that's down there. That's what I'm touching. But I want to go back. I want to go back for longer, like a week. Me and Mr. Snacks. When I be vacationing with my husband, y'all, Mike don't take, what you call it? Mike don't do relaxing vacations. Mike do turn up only vacations, okay? So you be needing a vacation after you vacation with him. Literally, you can't go to work the next day. You just got to relax. Your body be so tired. All right, we didn't sleep. We slept one day for like 2 hours. Another day, we slept maybe 5 hours. That was a good decent sleep. Yeah, okay. I slept for 3. Like, so when I came home, y'all, your girl crashed. I got off that plane. Mr. Snacks fed me, and I was gone. But I hope y'all doing good. I hope y'all enjoying y'all Wednesday. I think I'm done. I'm gonna eat another one of these though. Y'all, this Chez Katu sauce. I knew it would taste good on chicken. And that sauce got a kick too. So it's sweet, and then there's a kick at the end. This sauce also is sweet, and then it's a kick. Same thing on the mango habanero. Sweet, and then it got a kick. But the funny thing is, all 3 of these have different sweet flavors. Yes, yes, yes. Bussin'. I ain't have to suck on that bone like that. I ain't have to do that at all. It's good though, y'all. Woo! What time is it? 22? Woo! Let me try to eat another one. Mm-hmm. I asked them to fry these hard. They definitely did this time. Yeah. Don't always follow the instructions. I done asked them to fry it hard before and them barely be hard. But y'all, I'm gonna close out this video. Y'all know I love y'all. For the moon and back. Y'all, seize the day. Enjoy yourself. Have fun. Do something for you. Y'all know self-care. Self-care. And know that you are not alone. I'm here. And until the next video, peace, love, and hair on.
Yeah, man, how you doing? You good? I know you like that. I know you like that.